Okay. So let's try to first. We're going to do real. Okay? We're going to remove all the unnecessary areas. Okay. We're going to remove all the vocab. Okay. And then we're going to start outlining. Okay. So let's start with the first sentence. Okay. You have to go through each paragraph. Okay. Let's see. Okay. This topic you guys probably know, and we're working together. Okay. The cores of the sediment drilled by the global challengers have also yielded information critical to understand the world's past climate. Deep ocean segments provide a climate record stretching back hundreds of millions of years because they are largely isolated from the mechanical erosions and the intense chemical and biological activities that rapidly destroy much land-based evidence of the past climates. This record has also proven insights into patterns and causes of past climate changes, information that may be used to predict the future climate. Okay, so now first of all, everyone, what are we going to do? We're going to remove all the unnecessary areas, okay, like dates, numbers, abbreviate things, and then size, get rid of it, okay? And then we're going to also remove all the vocab, okay, hard vocab, the ones you can't understand. Okay? And after you do that, it kind of looks like this, boom, okay? We have the segment, okay, GC, abbreviated, okay, yielded you might not know, critical you might not know, okay, past, okay, past is telling you time, segments, okay, we might not know, climatic, you might not know, stretching back 100 million years ago, okay, there's a time, cross the whole thing out, okay, isolated, okay, you're gonna basically, mechanical, intense, biological, rapidly, evidence, okay, insight, okay, climatic, and predict. So we got rid of all that. Okay, that's basically removing all the vocab and unnecessary information. Okay, so when we do that, it kind of looks like this. Boom, here we go. Right, the course is a lot smaller. Now, after we remove all this, remove all unnecessary, remove all the hard things, right? Then it's a lot easier to look at, and we can actually outline this. Okay. Now, when we're doing this, please understand that you would have already done this during the test. For each questioning, right? For example, excluding vocab, excluding the different type of references or the highlighted information or insertion, the one you put in the insertion, right? Else than those ones, the other paragraphs that tell you according to paragraph 1 why, okay? Inference questions, right? Detailed information, purpose questions. These ones, you would have already had an outline. So please remember to what? Number the paragraphs while you're note-taking during the test, because when it comes up later, you're going to use the same notes to use for this type of questioning. Okay? Now, the key thing, I'm going to continue. I'm going to mention it later. Hold on, okay? Okay, so we're going to outline this. The outline for this one is what? Drilled by the GC information understanding by the climate. So, GC understand climate is the point. Deep ocean provides record because they are largely from the erosions and the chemical activity that destroy much land-based capacity, okay? So record equal erosion, chemical destroyed land-based climate, okay? So this record was already providing the patterns and cause in the past, okay? So past, boom, provide past, and last sentence is future, okay? So your notes goes like this. It looks pretty easy, doesn't it? Okay. If you had a paragraph like this, it would be a lot easier to take notes rather than going through it. Now, obviously, you have to do this in your head, okay? Because the fact that you can't start erasing information from the IBT TOEFL test. But you guys know the pattern now, how to do it, okay? So let's summarize. Okay, here you go. You're going to outline each paragraph, okay? You're going to reduce, eliminate minor details, okay? Or minor details and details. You're going to scan, find the main idea, ask yourself so, why, and how, and from that get the main idea. Write notes for key points, okay? Remember, do this while you're doing the other questions, okay? Don't try to do this and leave this until the end. If it's a 20-minute test, you do not have time.